In response to the ongoing conflict stemming from the deadly Hamas onslaught, Israel urged its citizens to immediately leave Egypt and Jordan, the National Security Council said on Saturday, as regional tensions flared over the war. The conflict between Israel and Hamas has heightened tensions in the region, leading to increased security risks and potential threats to Israeli nationals in neighboring countries. Israel's National Security Council raises its travel warnings for Egypt, including Sinai, and Jordan to level 4, high threat. Recommendation not to travel to these countries and for those staying there to leave as soon as possible, it said in a statement. The notice comes just days after Israel recalled its diplomats from Turkey as a security precaution following an earlier request for its citizens to leave as well. The evacuation calls came after days of protests across the Middle East over Israel's bombardment of the Gaza Strip. As the conflict enters its 15th day, Hamas released an American woman and her teenage daughter who had been held captive in Gaza, according to Israel. This marks the first release among more than 200 people abducted by the militant group during its October 7 attacks. The release comes amid expectations of an Israeli ground offensive aimed at rooting out Hamas militants in Gaza, with Israel clarifying that it does not intend to maintain long-term control over the territory, which is home to about 2.3 million people. Meanwhile, the Israeli military carried out airstrikes in Gaza. Efforts were made to provide aid from Egypt to families and hospitals in need. Conflict between Israel and militants in Lebanon also continued, leading to evacuations in border towns on both sides, raising concerns of a broader regional conflict. US President Joe Biden suggested that Israel delay a ground invasion until more hostages are released from Gaza. He spoke with the two released women following their freedom. Regarding aid, Egypt said that 2 aid-laden trucks entered the Egyptian side of the border crossing on Saturday, but they have not yet passed into Gaza. Israel had announced the allowance of aid from Egypt through the Rafah crossing, but the border into the besieged territory has remained closed, with Egypt attributing the closure to damage from Israeli airstrikes.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.